The following takes place on a Saturday in November 2021 in a secret Canadian location. Events occur in real time. These are our stories. Now, I've ridden this hole once before, just a few months back. I knew it was tough, but I do not remember being this difficult. It was the same machine, the exact same setup with tires and clutching. There's nothing to be afraid of in this hole, except for the thick mud that's at the bottom.
Yeah, buddy! Oh! Holy frig!
I'm the last man getting lost.
Now that was intense. Let's break it down. The two keys to defeating any mud hole is momentum and ground clearance. You really can't get much speed up as you just drop right into this hole. There's a big rut underneath and the mud is super thick. The other challenge is the amount of water. There's more water in this hole than there was last time, but there's not enough for you to gain any advantage and float over top of the rut. So I'm moving from side to side to maintain any momentum I have and find any little bit of traction. Throttle control is key. It's something that many riders struggle with. Now, as I said before, I have made it through this mud hole once before without too much trouble. So let's have a look at the last time I went through here. Results are pretty much the same here at the first part of the hole. It's obviously quite deep here. But I do find some traction and start moving forward. Now this second drop off in the hole proves not to be as challenging. I find some traction and make my way to the next section. I don't get hung up for very long and I'm able to power my way through the third section and breeze through the rest.
Woo-hoo! Yeah!
Alright, let's check back in with the rest of the crew and see how they do. Something to keep in mind, when the mud is this thick, the first person through is usually at a disadvantage.
Oh, the hard one.
So Kyle's giving it his all here on his 570 Outlander. He's given it all he's got, but he's struggling for traction. So Ryan's ready to give it a go on his 850. He's running a different tire setup and a full STM clutching. And of course those dual Empires will blow your eardrums off. Ryan's looking for a little redemption here because our last time through, he was not successful. It takes him some work, but I'm sure he'll be happy that he made it all the way through.
Oh, man. If you guys thought that this video was great, why don't you watch another one right now? Cheers.